That is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. Takta dehang punarjanmanaiti mameti kaunteya. Such person, Krishna conscious person, who knows Krishna. If you think of Krishna, naturally you know of Krishna. You know of Krishna. Krishna is within your heart. So, if you think of Krishna, then gradually you become Krishnized. Just like you put the iron rod in the fire, gradually it becomes fire. One warmer, then red hot. When it is red hot, it is fire. Wherever you touch, it will burn immediately. Similarly, if you think of Krishna, the same example, touching fire, so Krishna will purify you. Sinnatang sakata Krishna punnassamana kirtana. Just like you are being purified by hearing about Krishna daily. Otherwise, why you are coming here? We have no money to bribe you to come here. You are feeling, becoming Krishnized. Therefore you are coming. So this is the process, simple process. You simply be engaged in Krishna consciousness. Then you become Krishnized, purified. And as soon as you become purified, you understand Krishna. Sevan mukhi hi jivhado saiva. You understand Krishna means Krishna becomes revealed. Just like something is covered, you try to move the covering, you see the gold. Similarly, by your constant endeavor to become Krishna conscious, Krishna will reveal to you. Yes. You are so anxious to see me? Here I am. Here I am. Yeah. You see Krishna. How this is possible? Premanjana charita bhakti vilochanena santas sadaiva hridayeshu vilokanti. By thinking of Krishna, naturally you become attached, just like materialists. They are always thinking of woman and money, so they become attached to woman and money. The materialist. So similarly, if you think of Krishna, you become attached to Krishna. It is not a difficult job. So, the asamedam kavalambam sannyasam palapaitrikam. This was explained by why asamed yoga is forbidden in this age. In this age, no sacrifice is possible. There is no money, there is no guru. Guru means who can conduct these sacrifices. First of all, there is no means. I mean one can conduct. There is no means. It requires huge amount of money. Here it is said that bhuri dakshina. Bhuri means unlimited amount. Bhuri means very great. So, there is no money. Neither there is expert Brahman also who can conduct such sacrifices. Because they must chant the Vedic mantra so perfectly that even a horse or a cow is put into the fire, he'll come out with a new life. That is the test. This Chandakaji, Muslim magistrate, he also challenged Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, what is your this religion? You are eating your father and mother. Directly. Not that he was talking with the magistrate. He should be little respectful. No. In a spiritual matter, everything is spoken flatly. No compromise. Just like we say, you are not a Krishna conscious person, then you are a rascal. That's all. You may be a president, that doesn't matter. But because you are not Krishna conscious, you are a rascal. There is no compromise. Oh, here is a big man, how he is speaking. We say everywhere, When so many scientists come, I say, you are rascal, you are demon. I say, and they tolerate. I prove that he is a rascal. I prove that he is a rascal, he is a demon, then he tolerates, yes. We have got sufficient strength to prove any materialistic man to prove that he is a rascal. That is possible. If one is practically a devotee of Lord, he doesn't care. Even personalities like Vidhi, Vidhi means Lord Brahma. Vidimandadishta kitayate. Kitayate means such great personalities are taken by perfect devotee as ordinary insect. As ordinary insect has no value. Similarly, anyone, however great he may be in this material world, if he is not God conscious, he is no better than the insect. Because it has no value. Because he does not know that he is going to become a dog next life. He loved a dog very much and he bequeathed his all property to the dog, but he is going to become himself a dog. Therefore he is a rascal. What is his intelligence? He got some money. There are many instances in country. They bequeath the whole wealth to the dog, is it not? So how much rascal is that? And if you go, then give us some money for advancing Krishna consciousness. No, we are not interested in religion. I am interested in dog. So how much rascal is that? Just imagine. So everyone is a rascal. Everyone is a rascal. How you so boldly say that everyone is? Because Krishna says, we are Krishna. We have to follow. Just like a small child follows the talkings of his father and mother. So, similarly, we learn from Krishna. Krishna says, Namaga duskitanam mudha pravadante naradhava. Maya paritagyana asuri bhavamasudha. Krishna says. So we have learned from Krishna. So we test. Oh, what is the test? Namang prapadante. He does not surrender to Krishna. So such person, what he is? Duskritino, sinful, meritorious sinful. Like when merit is applied for sinful activities, he can do it very nicely than the ordinary man. A scientist discovered some method of stealing, how to break the treasury of the bank. So that does not mean, because he is doing scientifically stealing, that does not mean he is not a thief. He is a thief. How you can say, oh, he has done it very scientifically. The law will say, you are rascal, you are thief, you must be punished. So these so-called educated scientists, philosophers, what they are doing? They are simply doing mischief. Therefore they are duskritino. Duskritino. Mudha. Mudha means rascal, ass. Because nobody knows what is the aim of life. They are exactly like the ass. He does not know what is his interest. Unnecessarily he is carrying 3 tons of cloth of the ocean man. Therefore he is called ass. His gain is little morsel of grass. He can get grass anywhere. Still he is thinking, I am obliged to this ocean man because he is supplying me grass. Therefore I must have 3 tons of cloth on my back. This is ass. This is ass. He has no interest. Not a single cloth belongs to him. And he is carrying 3 tons of cloth. Therefore the ass. Ass means one who does not take his interest and he works unnecessarily and wastes his time. So everyone in this material world, he does not know what is the aim of life. Unnecessarily he is making plan, this plan, that plan, this plan, that plan, and all plan is being frustrated by the laws of nature. Devidjisa gunamai mama maya guru. Every plan will fail. And those who are plan-making persons, they are all rascals. They do not know. So what kind of plan should be made? The plan should be made that everyone should be God conscious. Then every plan will be successful. Otherwise everything will fail. Thank you very much.